Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome play-doh rainbow cake. So let's get started. For this you're going to need rainbow coloured play-doh, a play-doh knife, white play-doh, a play-doh extractor, a pencil holder and a play-doh rolling pin. So the first thing we want to do is to roll our play-doh flat. We're going to do this colour by colour. I'm using my pencil tin as a template. This means that I'll get the same size circle in each colour of play-doh. Cut around the edges, and there you have it, one layer done already. Now it's time to repeat this with all of the different colours of the rainbow. Now this cake is made of play-doh, but if you want to know how to make a real rainbow cake that you can eat, why don't you head over to HooplaKidz Recipes? There we make an awesome rainbow cake. And these layers are made of sponge instead of play-doh. Super delicious! Nearly there. Blue is the last colour. So now we're going to layer our rainbow colours together. This is super easy. We just lay them on top of each other. Amazing! Now it's time to do the icing, and we're doing this with white play-doh. Roll it flat. We're then going to mark the edge of our cake. This means that we'll be able to wrap the icing up around our play-doh cake. Perfect! Now we need to add the top. Use your pencil tin, and we know that this will be exactly the right size. Cut around the edge. Now we're going to place this on top. Smooth down the edge of your icing. That was much quicker than baking a real cake. Now it's time to decorate. I'm using pink and white icing, or play-doh. We want to put our pink and white play-doh into the extractor tool. And then when we squeeze, we're going to get a really lovely effect, just like icing. We want this to go all the way around the edge of our cake. Perfect! Now we're going to do the same around the bottom. So now I want to add some more detail. I'm taking some green play-doh to do this. I'm going to make some little flowers, so first we need to cut some leaves. Score them down the middle. This will make them look even more realistic. And now I'm taking red play-doh. I'm going to use the end of my rolling pin to cut a perfect circle. This is going to make a lovely rose. Layer two of the circles together. And push in the middle using your little finger. This will give a really lovely detail and make it look like a little rose. Now take a tiny bit of yellow and put it in the middle. Perfect. Score the petals to add detail and repeat the process. Super sweet. These will look lovely on the top of our rainbow cake. First, we're going to add the leaves. You can do as many flowers or as little as you like. I'm doing 3. So pretty! You wouldn't know this isn't a real cake. Last one. Perfect! And this is what it looks like once you cut it. That's how you make a play-doh rainbow cake.